Tortilla chips and salsa are my guilty pleasure, and I have to admit, I go through jars of store-bought salsa. So it's such a bummer when you go for that jar and it's almost completely empty and you still have a lot of chips left and you've got the snackies. And when you have that snack craving, this is no time to start chopping tomatoes and onions and limes and make your own. I need something quick. So this is my 2-ingredient emergency salsa, which will get you through those last bit of chips. And it's also a darn good taco sauce. It's just equal parts tomato paste and Frank's Original Red Hot. I like Frank's because of the viscosity and the saltiness, but if you have another sort of thicker hot sauce, you could sub that as well. Mix them together and thin it out with a little bit of water until you get a sauce that's a consistency that you like. If you can be bothered, garnish across the top with a sprinkle of cumin or chili powder and dig in. Does the job. This stuff reminds me of those little packets that you can get at Taco Bell, but maybe better. So if you're in a snacky pinch, make some 2-ingredient emergency salsa.